Welcome to Pictor, a renowned global innovator for human and animal in vitro diagnostics. Pictor utilizes a 96-well next-generation ELISA plate. Inside each ELISA well, microprinting enables the generation of more diagnostic data from a single sample. This means we can test for a broader range of diseases, or multiple markers of single disease, in a time and cost-efficient way. Pictor's Multiplex ELISA is composed of protein markers of 500 macrometer width. Only by high-definition cameras, consistent optics, and the aid of computer vision can we ensure every signal been accurately captured, read, and reported. Given the innovative nature of Pictor's products, traditional on-shelf ELISA readers, relying on spectral or fluorescence methodologies, fall short. The current market lacks equipment specifically tailored to Pictor's unique needs. While certain optical microscopes can read the markers, their exorbitant costs, bulkiness, and research-only designation make them reluctant for widespread market adoption. Pictor's vision extends beyond merely creating a product. It's about pioneering a transformative leap in diagnostics and fostering a synergized ecosystem. To realize this vision, Pictor seeks a reader that epitomizes precision, stability, speed, user-friendliness, and cost efficiency. Earlier this year, under the visionary leadership of Dr. Jamie Platt, Pictor Ltd and Haina Ai Ltd forged a strategic alliance on developing a reader that is tailored to Pictor's specifications, with Pictor holding exclusive intellectual property rights. Launched on July 1, 2023, this ambitious endeavor is set to span a year, progressing through 5 pivotal phases. The first phase centers on the endeavor to conceptualize and validate the technical feasibility of the model. Concurrently, foundational project planning and quality system frameworks were established. As we transition into August 2023, marking the onset of the second phase, the focus shifted to robust hardware development and design. Building upon the insights from the concept model, a testing prototype has been designed by September and will be assembled by October, serving as the cornerstone for testing and refining our core computer vision algorithms, particularly in spot detection and color extraction. By the end of 2023, we anticipate the culmination of all fundamental hardware designs. Come January 2024, we embark on the third phase, spanning 2 months, during which we aim to construct a tailored software, dovetailing perfectly with our finalized hardware and algorithm designs. The fourth phase is all about rigor. Every facet of the product, both hardware and software, undergoes comprehensive verification and validation to ensure performance aligns with our benchmarks. In the fifth and final stage, our nearly finished product is dispatched to third-party EU-certified testing institutions. We'll secure all the requisite technical documents for EU market access. Additionally, we'll finalize the product's commercialization process, ensuring Pictor receives a seamless transfer of all technical and production-related materials pertaining to the reader. With unwavering commitment, we project the completion of this reader development initiative by July 2024. Now, please allow us to introduce the pivotal accomplishment from the project's first phase, the concept model. Though the concept model might appear rudimentary, it was built to validate the capability of our hardware design framework. Within this model, we've incorporated essential design elements including dual high-definition cameras positioned at the top, the Raspberry Pi processor for robust data processing, and a stable light source at the base. This live demonstration shows how these integral components work together to capture clear, detailed images. Images captured by the concept model enabled our machine learning scientists to develop the foundational core algorithm, Leveraging computer vision techniques, we successfully implemented well detection, alignment points and spot detection, and color intensity extraction from the identified spots. This achievement underscores the success of our conceptual approach, laying a solid foundation for subsequent product design. Drawing inspiration from the concept design, our hardware engineers, within the first 2 months of the project, finalized the design for a testing prototype. This testing prototype was built with core hardware mirroring the final product, and its purpose is to provide a stable hardware environment for subsequent algorithm testing and software design. Currently, the customized components are being manufactured around every corner of the world and are expected to be shipped and assembled in Auckland by the end of this September. Thank you for your interest in the Pictor Reader development project. We will keep you updated on our progress and are always available to address any inquiries you may have.